I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 1998 Toyota Camry. The passenger side rear brake light is not working. So I'm going to show you how to replace the bulb. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. A hood prop, Phillips screwdriver, and some dielectric grease. This is the part I'm going to be using today to do this job. This is a 3157 bulb. Okay, on the inside of the trunk, passenger side rear, I gotta remove this panel to get access to the bulb. So first I'm going to be removing this clip or retainer. Okay. So now this is the brake light bulb. So I'm going to twist this counterclockwise and pull it out. Oh, this guy is all black. So I'm going to be replacing the bulb. So pull it out. So I'm going to be putting in some dielectric grease. Putting my bulb in. Okay, so first, before I put it in, I'm going to step the brake to make sure this bulb is working. So I'm going to be using my hood prop, one end against the brake pedal and one end against the seat to activate the brake. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so we're going to be putting back the bulb and then put back the panel. Put back the retainer. So that's how you replace a brake light bulb. Make sure you subscribe, give me the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Aloha.